Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project in Android Studio and going straight to the project view. Once there, expand Gradle scripts so you can access wrapper and build files quickly. This saves time versus hunting through menus. Open Gradle wrapper. Properties first, you'll see distribution URL, which tells the exact Gradle binary used. Make sure to read that line. It's the authoritative source for the Gradle runtime version for this project. Next, open the project level build. Gradle and find the class path for COM. Android, Tools, Build, Gradle, that's the Android Gradle plugin version and effects compatibility. Once done, cross-check distribution URL in Gradle wrapper. Properties to see the Gradle version string, they must be compatible. To be certain, run /Gradle v in the built-in terminal. This prints the runtime Gradle version used by the wrapper. Make sure the values match expected compatibility ranges. To finalize, update distribution URL in Gradle wrapper. Properties if you need a different Gradle version, change only the version segment and save. Once done, click Sync Project with Gradle files in Android Studio so the IDE fetches the correct wrapper and rebuilds indices. If something fails, run /Gradle build stacktrace or /Gradle version in terminal to get detailed errors. Mismatched plugin versus Gradle is the most common issue, so adjust versions accordingly and resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.